when our little boys were just in primary school. One was starting year 1 and the other was in year 3. And now both of those boys are now have left home. They've gone to Perth and they're both in their 3rd year of studying creative arts at ECU. So a part of this move is moving to be closer to them. They're over 2,500 kilometres away from us. It's a 3-day drive or it's a plane flight. So for us to move closer and only be 3.5 hours from them and our families is going to be a really wonderful thing. After we got back from Venice and the Homo Faber Craft Biennale, where my work, The Ballad of Mary Smith, had been exhibited, we really came back with a new vision of what we wanted to do and where we wanted to go with our work. We realised that we really needed to take advantage of the opportunity to relocate our studio to Augusta. So since then, we have pretty much been sorting, packing, organising, categorising everything in our house, getting ready for this move. We all know how moving house can be a really exhausting, tiring and traumatic event, but we're trying to do it with as much calm and peace as possible. This is why we have started a long way before our actual pickup date. And in between all the moving, we make sure we take time to take a break, go for a walk, get a coffee, go visit the beach, and take every opportunity that we can to spend time in this incredible landscape and environment that is Broome, because we know once we've gone, we will miss it. Once the dust settles of this huge big move, we will sit down and reflect on how incredible it was to spend 15 years in this beautiful place. So there is a sense of sadness in leaving Broome, but there's also a great deal of excitement in stepping forward into a new journey that we're not too sure how that's going to unfold, but that's a very exciting thing to be doing. And we're looking forward to seeing what adventures and challenges this new phase is going to bring up for both of us.